Alright, so I got 10 videos that apparently are too short for the phone to put it on my YouTube. So here we go. Here's an auction. My brother Andy went with me, and he went crazy with the auction and got these lights, which are pretty cool. Phone says it's too short to put on YouTube, though. I don't get it. Alright. Here's a big deer that I couldn't get on YouTube. It's a little shaky, I get it. But it's a big buck. I'm telling myself to hold still.
He's way out there, but look at that. Nice buck. Nice buck.
Yeah, I'm not shaking now. I was shaking because it's a big buck.
He's looking right at me.
Coming right, and he's way out there too.
You can see that tomorrow.
I was on the way up to deer season one year.
I'll be after you tomorrow.
Okay. Here's another deer out of my stand. Little buck. Not a shooter, but, you know, good eye candy for the video camera. It said these videos are too short, but they're pretty long.